My name is Abhik Bharti. So today I will teach you how to make a form in any HTML web. So I will teach you in Sublime Text. So this is the external CSS one. So see here, I want a form here. So for that, what I have to do, I have to here write like post name, this symbol, and now write this symbol and input this and press enter like this. Now in type write text and in name also write text, and see here I have to write place holder is equal to this symbol, and here will be first name. And if you say, see, there is a form, I can add here anything. I want more, so for that what I have to do, I have to first here write my title, then this symbol, input type text, name text. You can write placeholder also, but I will not write placeholder. So after title I will write email, this symbol, input, and in type you don't have now text. If there is email, write email, and in name also email, and then password, and then this input, and in type of password you have to write password only. And then I written a password wrong. Yes. In name also I have to write password and save. Here refresh. See, it is in one line. I don't want in one line. So what I have to do, I have to use the br tag. Here br. Again we are here, and then again we are here. Save it and see, now it is not in the line, but like see, here's first name. In his first name, if I write, it will be removed. Means here is placeholder, but I want placeholder here also. So for that I have to write placeholder here also. Placeholder like this is title of your name, and then here write placeholder is equal to this two symbols, and here write email, and then here in the password placeholder you have to write password. Save it and see. I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.